I'm sorry.
It's Thomas, host of the Barberstyle Directory YouTube channel, and these are my top barber essentials. Clippers and trimmers are essential items, but I'm going to take it a step further and list other important items. Comfortable shoes. You can be professional and still have style. If you're on your feet 8 to 10 hours a day, then you're going to need a shoe that's going to give you all day comfort. I know Kanye West is a controversial figure, but he makes great shoes. The 380s have been one of my favorite pair of shoes to cut in just because they have a ton of boost in the sole. The sole on these shoes is wider than the actual silhouette, so it feels like you're standing on a cloud. Next up, Germix. Cleanliness is next to godliness, as they say. Sanitizer does have a lot of alcohol in it, so I use one with aloe so it doesn't dry my hands out as fast. Definitely a must-have. Next up, fragrance.
I'm sorry.
You're in the personal space of your clients, so good hygiene is a must. I like to wear a nice fresh fragrance, nothing overpowering, just something light. After all, you don't want to give your client a headache. The two that I wear the most are Sean John Unforgivable and Prada L'Homme. Can't go wrong with these two. Keeping on trend with hygiene, gum, particularly extra polar ice. Oftentimes there's back and forth conversation, so you want to make sure you have fresh breath. Now this is not just for me either. If their breath is a little spicy, I'll offer them a piece too. So this goes both ways. Gotta keep this on deck. This next essential may be the most important one on the list. A back roller. Standing in the same position all day, barbers are usually with their head down at an angle, and it'll put pressure on your lower back. Rolling out on one of these for about 2 to 3 minutes, it will loosen your back and you will not feel any more pain. You can use this on your lunch break, whenever you have a quick break in between clients. I'm telling you, please, all barbers, incorporate this into your day. This next essential is another game changer. This is a great alternative to using a curl sponge. This is much more sanitary because you can wash it with soap and water, and it doesn't trap hair like traditional hair sponges. And it works just as well. It's also extremely durable. It has this hard plastic, so it won't wear down like a normal sponge. Alcohol and holding spray. These two together will give you the crispiest lineups that you can get. Many clients can come in sweaty, or they may have natural oil built up on their scalp. The alcohol will cut all of that oil. Combined with the holding spray, this will freeze the hair in place. So you will get that crispy white ash line that everybody loves. The holding spray that I use is Tresemme number 4. I found that number 5 will slow down my trimmers because it's too heavy, and 4 is just that sweet spot. It has just enough hold without clogging up your trimmers. Definitely must-haves. Seabreeze. This is an astringent. In the past, I would see clients tense up because they know that stinging alcohol is about to come, but now it's not the same scenario with this right here. You can find this product along with any other products that I've mentioned in this video by checking out the Barberstyle Directory Amazon store. The link will be in the description or the bio, just depending on what platform you're watching this on. I consider these next 3 essentials at the top of my list because they definitely help me earn more money. Gloves. Exfoliating sponges. I know these are paper thin, but if you just simply add water, they will inflate. My secret stuff. Well, actually, it's really not a secret anymore. I'll put out the recipe to this on another video. But basically, I use these 3 together for an exfoliation service, and all of my clients love it. Even a couple of the videos that I've done doing this service have went viral. Okay, we're down to the last 2 essentials. This is more so of a collectible as an essential. This is a limited edition Supreme spray bottle. And shout out to one of my clients, he actually found this for me. I'll probably never use this. This is just more of a keepsake. I filled it up with water one time to use it, and then I was like, I think I was more so scared of breaking it than anything because this is actually glass. And last, but certainly not least, the most important essential is the YouTube plaque that I received a while back. This is what really keeps me going. Knowing that you guys get value out of the content that I create really means the world to me. I can't say thank you enough to you guys. Obviously, the next goal is to get the gold plaque for 1 million subscribers. I really want to take this channel to the next level, and people can look at this channel like the GQ of barbering. So these were my top barber essentials. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next video.